Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear listeners and viewers. Welcome to Anam Language Academy. This is Nadia Malik with today's Hadith. Now we move towards today's Hadith. It is narrated by Abdullah ibn Abbas that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Aidimul Hajja wal Umrata fa innahuma yanfijanil fakara was-zanuba kama yanfil kiru khabasal hadith. Keep perdurability on pilgrimage and Umrah, as it excites historians and sins as like a stove finishes rust on iron. Dear listeners and viewers, as you know, the month of Zil Hajjah is going on. And during the month of Zil Hajjah, Hajj is being performed by the Muslims. In today's Hadith, the value and pilgrimage of Umrah is mentioned. Both the acts of pilgrimage and Umrah have great value and worth in Islam. In today's Hadith, it is told that the act of pilgrimage ends hunger, removes rashes. It also important because it terminates the sins. We are common people, we are common persons, and we commit sins. We commit errors. So these sins and errors and transgress all are removed, all are finished if a person, if a Muslim performs pilgrimage. Just like a stove, just like a furnace removes or finishes rust from the iron. The same case is the act of Umrah. If a Muslim performs Umrah, all the dishes, all the hunger would be removed, would be finished, would be terminated from his or her life. Just like the rust is being removed from the iron if it is put into grate, if it is put into furnace a fireplace. So both the acts of pilgrimage and Umrah are very essential and have great worth in Islam. So, dear listeners and viewers, this was today's Hadith. Always remember us in your prayers. Pray for yourself and pray for others, because the going month is, the running month is very important regarding the action, regarding the performing good deeds, regarding the virtuous deeds during this month, and particularly during the first 10 days. So, your prayers will be a good deed, will have great value before Allah Almighty. So, always pray for others, and particularly for those persons, for those Muslims who have left this world, who have departed from this world, that Allah Almighty bless them. Inshallah, we will see tomorrow with new hadiths. Till then, Allah Hafiz.